Y'all, at first I was like, I don't know, I'm gonna feel too mommy in this. Y'all know I'm getting old, so I don't want to look like an old mom, but she's cute. This is boss baddie mom. Like, this is, I got my life together and my credit score is 800 mom. So don't mess with this mom. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Khrissy with a K. Nah, I don't have no new song. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, girl, hey, boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh, the wig got me feeling good, y'all. So when I record these videos, I already take my pictures. I already do my, like, TikTok videos, my reels, all that good stuff. So I'm hyped because one reel I was working on, I just be cracking up making these silly ass videos for y'all. But that's all it is. It's all fun. So y'all make sure y'all follow me on my TikTok, my Instagram, and I think that's it. Anyway, so today I'm doing a wig review for you guys. This wig came out last year. This is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, and I have the style Arlissa. She's been sold out for a while, but I think if she restocks, I want y'all to know what she's looking like. I was lucky. I got her, I don't know, some weekend I was in bed just scrolling, and I was like, oh, she's in stock. Boom, add to cart. So I went ahead and got her. I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on. And then, you know, we're going to talk about her. I'm going to let y'all know if she's worth it. But, she's worth it. She's worth it. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and get started.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't. Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
Listen, if I ever play like poker, I can't lie. I can't lie. You guys know exactly how I feel based on how I come back. Okay, so this wig is from the Melted Hairline collection. This is an older wig. It came out last year, but I told you guys last week that I was sick, and when you sick and stuck in bed, you just be ordering stuff. You just be like, click, 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 bye, bye, bye. So I've been stocking up on wigs, and I have a lot of wigs coming for you guys. So this is the Outre Melted Hairline Arlissa wig, and this is the color 1B. I was debating on reviewing this one or Divine. I have this one coming for you guys pretty soon too. But actually my family, I did a poll and they picked that one, but I was like, let's do Arlissa. And I'm happy I did her, okay? So this is from the Melted Hairline collection. If you guys are familiar with our collections, I told you guys, Outre, we got different collections, okay? Understand your collection, understand your friends, you know, and you gonna be good. So this collection comes with your standard lace part. The good part about this Melted collection that we absolutely love, and I feel like this is why we fell in love with this collection initially, is this hairline. I did not go in and pluck anything on this. Do y'all see that? Seriously, I didn't pluck anything.
Oh my god, I see it, I see it.
Look at that hairline, guys. The little shine that you're seeing is because of the light and all the sprays and all that stuff, but I did not pluck anything, and this is plucked to perfection. One of the features, it's a deluxe wide lace part. So even though it is the standard lace part right here, you're not going to be able to part this wig anywhere you like. Nope, 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 nope. We're going to get our little boom side swoop, and that's what we got. But it's okay, because this is the classic wrap style that we all used to wear back in the day. I don't know about y'all, but I used to wear this style. I probably got a picture somewhere where I used to wrap my hair up, you know, and then in the morning you comb her out and you get this look. This is that roller set wrap. That's how I feel with this wig. You are getting a little extra room to play, but sometimes I just feel like it's a little pointless. Like, I don't know, unless you swoop in a little bit more, I don't know, it's just a little pointless. Y'all don't mind this right here. I don't have dandruff. I told y'all, that's the powder effect. If you don't put powder and match the lace, you're gonna look like you have dandruff. But boom, that's the powder. No powder, powder. So I'm loving the curls on this. I'm loving the layers on this. It's a classic roller set hairstyle, and I'm here for it. So you're gonna get 2 combs right here, 1 in the back. It does come with that elastic band. I did go in with it just to kind of test it out. It feels okay. My hair is pretty flat. I have 2 cornrows right now. Normally, y'all know I'll be having my gel braids, my 10 gel braids, but I just have 2 cornrows, and it still feels okay. As far as the texture goes, guys, I'm getting kind of silk press vibes with this. I'm getting not yucky, but I'm getting not too silky. And I'm getting, like, I basically silk pressed my hair and wrapped it. That's the texture that I'm getting with this wig, and it feels really, really good. I went in with a little bit of baby hairs. I don't know what I was thinking. And I also don't tint my lace anymore. I just went in with some makeup and matched the lace. You just match the lace. It is a ventilated cap, which is pretty good, because we all know we like to scratch our scalp. You know what I'm saying? This wig has been sold out. And you kind of have to watch the sites and see when it restocks and then, you know, get it. But I hate the fact that these companies don't restock these wigs. Like, it's super annoying. We tell you guys, go get the wig. The wig is amazing. And you go and it's like, where's the wig? Where's the wig that you told me to go buy? Because I can't find it. So Outre, I wish y'all would get better with that. And all these other companies, I wish you guys would get a little bit better with restocking. She does come in a lot of other pretty colors. I actually did have this wig, I want to say a year ago. I think I bought it in the cinnamon mocha or ginger brown, and I ended up giving it away. Yeah, oh, I gave it away. Shout out to you, boo. I be randomly giving away stuff. So, you know, if y'all are here for Khrissy, I'm here for you. I just be randomly giving away stuff to my subscribers. And I didn't mention it, but I did give somebody this wig, and I hope they liked that wig. I think they said they liked it. Yeah, but I went back and repurchased it. I am a little funny about getting 1Bs these days. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I feel like it looks a little bit too unrealistic sometimes with synthetic wigs, but the luster on this is so good that it looks realistic and it doesn't look too shiny. It doesn't look too fake. So I'm okay with this 1B. This 1B is hitting. I was real skeptical about opening up this pack. I wanted to sell this wig for the 2nd time, but I'm happy I did it, and I'm not going to be selling it because this is a classic work wig. This is a classic everyday wig. The length is perfect. It's just a classic everyday wig. We like everyday lengths. We like everyday wigs. We like wigs that we could go to dinner with, brunch with, and go to work with. You know, we like all-in-one wigs. And as far as the price goes, when she is in stock, you could find it for about anywhere like $39, $40. This wig is reminding me of 3 other Outre wigs. I had to pull it up because I was like, I feel like I reviewed this wig again, but I didn't. I'll leave all the links below of the wigs that it's reminding me of, and I'm telling you guys this just in case this wig is out of stock. You can probably get those, which are pretty similar, but it's reminding me of Outre Leyla. It's kind of, not really Hermina, slightly Hermina, but not really. And more so Outre Amanda. Amanda and Leyla, I feel, are very comparable if you guys can't find this one. But again, just keep checking the sites. I did also go in with a fairly new product today. This was sent over by the Wig Addict. It's just a lace adhesive spray. It's supposed to be like no sulfates, cruelty free. It's supposed to be like less harsh. I did go in with this, and the way I feel about it, it is secure, but it is starting to lift just a little bit for me. I did put it right here. I feel like I did try this out last night and it kind of stayed a little bit longer. So I feel like you absolutely need to not have any makeup on your skin with this, and you need to go in super, super clean. I had to go in with my tried and true red head and just kind of put a little bit more security on the side. But for the most part, this is okay. This is okay. Would I purchase this again? I think I need to try it a little bit more to tell you guys that. But from what I see, I like the fact that it's not so harsh, but it kind of lifts a little bit too quick for me. So that's just my opinion on that. Y'all know I'm down to try new stuff. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. We gonna try stuff over here. I think she's a winner. She cute, y'all. At first I was like, I don't know, I'm gonna feel too mommy in this. Y'all know I'm getting old, so I don't want to look like an old mom, but she's cute. This is boss baddie mom. Like, this is, I got my life together and my credit score is 800 mom. So don't mess with this mom. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig and if you will be picking her up or if you did get her. And I think she's a winner, y'all. Keep your eye out for when they restock because I think she is definitely something to have to your collection. I get it. I get why she was hyped. She was hyped for a reason. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.